today we are at Buck, PA. Right next to the road. This is the setup. Trucks at this show. We got Crazy Train, War Wizard, Raminator, something over there. Got the tires still in here. Only have Crazy Train this weekend. That's how we get them out. Doing my makeup in the hauler right now. Set up, doing my makeup. There's other haulers right there. And we'll go for a walk. All ready to go. Let's go for a walk. Got the vintage four-wheeler ready to go. Timberwolf. Like this might be where we sell novelties. Not really sure though. This is the track. Looks like a tractor pull lane. Some stands there. Empty right now. Pretty small. It's real nice. Buck Motorsports. Super hot today. It's like 90 degrees out here. I'm just walking around the track, trying to find the bathrooms, but it's super, super, super hot. Like 90 degrees, and we're just setting up. It's about 10:30 right now. Drinking my coffee. And I'm just looking for some bathrooms, and I think they're right here. Looking to see where I might set up for the novelties today. It's just me today. I think I'm gonna sell them, but yeah, look at the track. I look crazy right now. My hair is a mess. I'm in my pajamas still, but it's okay. Found the bathrooms. I'm gonna go use the bathroom, and we'll go look at the trucks. Here's all the semis, haulers, monster trucks, some demo cars. Here we got a lot of tractors. We're setting up the track. I have a feeling this was an old, or maybe it still is, a tractor pulling lane. There's some tractors, lots of tractors actually, lots of John Deere and monster trucks. Gonna clean the hood of Crazy Train. wipe this off. Pretty high up. Do that again.
What? What?
Dance. Ooh. Jesus. Look at that. Ooh, nice.
This is making like no difference. It's just like thinking of stuff. It's doing nothing. I know. This whole thing needs to be wiped down, man.
I'm working on it. Okay, that's good. Triton's working on something. What? Yeah, I did. Does it look bad? Working on something. I guess I gotta wash the window on the inside. I would wipe down the hood. Crazy Train's looking good. One of my favorite quotes of all time. Just gonna send it.
You tip it up anymore or not? Pull it out and tip it up. Bring the boat back.
All nice and clean. Still looks dirty, but it's clean. We got the novelties right here. These are my bracelets and earrings I'm gonna sell. You can find them on Etsy too. Link in the description. We got the Crazy Train merch because it's only Crazy Train today, no Plain Crazy. But we do have toddler shirts in Plain Crazy. We got the train whistles, we got the hero cards, we got the toddler shirts, we got the earplugs, all that good stuff in toddlers. And we do have Plain Crazy toddler shirts. But, yep, it's just me today selling. Gotta go set up in about, what time is it? About 3 hours. Just waiting for the show to begin. And we're chilling in the hammock in the trailer. It's super hot. It's like 95, right?
Yeah.
95 degrees, super humid out. We got about 2 hours before our pit party starts and the show starts. All ready for the show. Got my little uniform on, wearing these shoes because it's gonna be muddy out. And got my little conductor scrunchie in. Got all ready to go. And guess what? It's raining. It is raining right now. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, there's the thunder. It's raining. It's raining. Oh, there was lightning. Oh, hopefully the rain stops soon. There's the tough trucks and stuff like that coming in for the show. Waiting for the storm to pass. Timberwolf is getting a bath. And it is pouring. It's not good. That's our novelty tent right there. The Mystic one. It's pouring. We still have our novelties here. We didn't take them over yet because we were afraid it was gonna rain, and good thing we didn't because it's pouring. Hopefully it stops soon.